Good morning from beautiful Manchester. It's a beautiful day today, sunny. So in this video we will travel to Liverpool where we explore the city. At the moment I'm in Manchester. I'm in a business area. As you can see, there are a lot of offices here. The area is called Spinningfield, and yeah, I walk into the train station. So I should be in Liverpool around 12 o'clock. It's taking like 1 hour and a half in a train, maximum 1 hour and a half in a train, depends what train you take. So yeah, really looking for. I will not show you too many things about Manchester today because this video is not about Manchester. We'll focus more on Liverpool, but yeah, I just want to show you a little bit around. I arrived to Oxford Road station. It's the second station after Piccadilly. From here I will take the train in about 20 minutes to Liverpool. I will need to look in for the platform 5 if I'm right. Very quiet at the moment. Let's see here. And platform 5 is this one here. It's a very beautiful day. Yesterday, for example, was such a horrible. It was around 15 degrees. It was raining. It was very nice. You didn't really want to leave the house to go out. But today is beautiful, so let's hope it's gonna be a nice weather for the rest of the day. And exactly after 1 hour and 10 minutes we arrived. And the weather does not look that good like in Manchester, but let's hope it's gonna be a nice one. Beautiful train station here. Definitely it's a little bit more cloudy than Manchester, but still beautiful. Nice temperature. Just want to find a coffee shop to have a coffee before explore the city, and let's just hope it's gonna be a nice weather because I can't deal with rain anymore. In the last month it was raining a lot here in northwest of England, which is not very nice, especially in the middle of the summer when everybody expects to be hot. Everybody expects to be a nice temperature. Let's go. The city center with Aline. Yeah.
Yeah.
The famous Albert Docks in front of me.
onto the platform. Manchester, Oxford Road.
Okay guys, we arrived in Manchester. We're back from where we start the journey today. And as you can see, it's a horrible weather, not very sunny. And that was the adventure from today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.